Hello everyone, my name is Harshit Bhutra and you're watching Digital Sun City. On this channel, I make videos related to WordPress and digital marketing. So if you want to learn more of WordPress and digital marketing, then you can press the subscribe button below. That way, you'll be notified as soon as I publish a new video. So now, let's get started with this video. In this video tutorial, you will learn how to automatically change WordPress salt keys. WordPress uses something called as salt keys to protect your passwords by complex mechanism. In order to keep your website secure, you should update the salt keys from time to time. Now by default that doesn't happen. So in this video I'll show you how to automatically change WordPress salt keys. So let's begin by going to our C panel. Now in your C panel you'll see File Manager, so click on it. Now click on Public HTML. This is the folder where all of your WordPress website files are stored. Now find WP config file and right click on it and then click on View. Now on scrolling you'll find WordPress salt keys under Authentication, Unique Keys and Salt heading. So these keys should be kept on changing automatically for security purposes. So to make them change on regular basis without doing much manual work, let's install a plugin into our WordPress website. So into your WordPress dashboard, go to plugins and then click on add new. Now in the search box, search for Salt Shaker. Now click on install now button. Now click on activate. Now once this plugin is activated, click on tools, Salt Shaker plugin. Check on the box besides change WP keys and salts and set the duration here when you want your salt keys to be updated automatically. Click on change now button to save it. So that's it. That's how you can automatically change WordPress salt keys in your WordPress website. Now every time your WordPress salt keys are updated or changed, you and other users will be automatically logged out from your WordPress website. So then you have to re-log into your WordPress dashboard. This is basically done to increase security on your WordPress website. I hope you like this video. It takes me a lot of efforts to create free videos like these for all of you people. So please consider to subscribe. And if you have any questions or suggestions, then you can directly go to our website digitalsuncity.com/help and then fill in the contact form with your question. I'll reply to that as soon as possible. Thank you for watching this video. Hey, before you quit, I have an amazing offer for you. I am giving away free access to all of my digital resources to all of my viewers. These digital resources can be divided in two types. The first thing is layouts. This includes hundreds of templates for Divi, Elementor, Visual Composer and a lot of royalty-free graphics which you can use on any website. Now the second thing is premium WordPress video tutorials. In the coming weeks, I am creating video courses for all the major WordPress themes and plugins. This will include video tutorials for WordPress, Divi, Astra, Elementor, Visual Composer and a lot more. So as you can see, I've already started working on them. Now, to get all of these premium digital resources, you have to go to my website digitalsuncity.com/VIP and put in your email address. And then you'll receive an email which will contain all of these things. That's it. So go to the link in the description right now and claim all of these resources instantly. I am waiting for you to get my digital resources for free.